This is the Champion RK-1C 3/4 inch repair kit for the 466 anti-siphon valves and RS series straight valves. Now in the kit, it's going to include our red fiber gasket, our seat washer, and our packing washer. Now in the packaging, it'll also come with this little slip that shows here on the back little parts breakdown. Shows the order and location that each part is going to go into. So from the top down, we start with our packing washer. You can see it goes right under the handle portion here. And then you have the larger seat washer, I'm sorry, that goes right below that packing there. And then last but not least, the red fiber gasket, which goes right at the top of the body of the valve. We can go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part included in the kit, starting with our seat washer. I'm going to grab an outer diameter first. That's going to be right at about 7/8, just over 7/8 of an inch. And then thickness or height, going to be right at 1/4 of an inch. And then an inner diameter, also showing right at 1/4 of an inch. And then last but not least, our packing washer. Outer diameter, it's going to be just right at about 3/4. Inner diameter, just under 1/2 inch. And then the thickness, right at 1/4 of an inch. And once again, this is the Champion RK-1C repair kit for the 3/4 inch anti-siphon valves and RS series straight valves.